Hello class and welcome to ACLT 053 for week 3. For this week in ACLT 053, I'd like you to work on creating an outline for your tech essay. If you're looking at the calendar, you should see more information on it once you click on the tab. Okay, so we're going to go to the assignments tab where the actual assignment is housed. And to find that, you'll just scroll down to the assignments tab, click on it, and you should be able to see the assignment once you scroll down to it. It should say Tech Assignment 3, Working Essay Outline and MLA Formatting Assignment, which is very similar to what you worked on last week, except last week was more on the introduction and your sources, and this week is actually on the actual outline of your assignment. So once you click on it, you should see the assignment come up. It should look something like this. You should see the rubric and the actual assignment. So I went ahead and opened that assignment and it looks like this. So you're going to be working out of a template, and this template will ask you to plug in different aspects of your outline. You'll be working on an attention grabber. I also call it an introductory device. It could be a startling question, a statistic, a very short story or anecdote that's personal to you about the topic. And then you will relate it to your topic. You'll talk about the purpose of your topic. You will state the controversy, your thesis, very similar to last week, but this time, for this week, you're going to add your topic sentences for each paragraph that you'll be writing about and supporting evidence that you will provide to support your topic sentence. Remember, your topic sentence is like a mini thesis statement. It is your opinion about your paragraph, and ultimately that paragraph should support your thesis statement, which is your opinion about your entire topic for your essay. And so you'll continue to give me some topic sentences for each of the body paragraphs. Certainly you can add more topic sentences if you have more body paragraphs, or you can maybe delete one or so if you don't need as many topic sentences for the body paragraph. And don't forget your concluding sentence as well. Once you've completed this outline, I'd like you to consider your citations and make sure that you are working towards developing the sources for this particular essay, the ones that we've looked at in class and the ones that you've researched as well. So that is what is due for this week, your working outline, and it should actually help you to organize your tech essay. That's the point and the purpose of doing this outline. It should help you to organize your thoughts for your tech essay. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.